The Health Ministry is investigating reports that cases of dengue fever have emerged in Trelawney. It's reported that 2 men from South Trelawney are being treated after displaying symptoms of the mosquito-borne virus. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bissesa Mackenzie says it's yet to receive any reports of confirmed cases of dengue.
The ministry has been alerted that there have been reports of increased cases in Trelawney, and we are presently investigating, and we will inform you as soon as we have further information.
She says she is expecting a speedy response. Dengue fever is a mosquito-borne tropical disease. There's no specific treatment for dengue, but access to proper medical care reduces mortality rates. Symptoms of dengue typically begin 3 to 14 days after infection. This may include a high fever, headache, vomiting, muscle and joint pains, and a skin rash. Symptoms usually last 2 to 7 days.